welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing gingerbread houses, and I have a very special guest today. This is my brother Jeremy.
Hey guys.
So we're going to be building gingerbread houses. We have never done this before, so this should be very interesting, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so also while we're building the houses, we're going to be answering questions. So Jeremy is going to be asking me the questions that you guys, so I asked you guys on Instagram to ask us questions, so I have them right here. So he's gonna be asking me the questions and we're gonna be answering them. So okay guys, so let's start with the video.
Okay, so the first question is, what part of DR you guys from?
So we are from Santiago in DR, and yeah, we were born there, all three of us. So this is, I actually have a sister too. Her name is Nicole, but she's not doing the video with us today. So yeah, we're from Santiago.
The next question is, what is your favorite memory together?
What's your favorite memory together?
We went to the park a lot to ride bike.
Yes.
And play tennis.
Yes.
Very nice.
We like to go to the park and ride bikes all the time in the summer. So yeah, I guess that's one of our favorite memories together.
Okay.
Abre la cosa.
Oh. The next question is, who is the favorite?
We don't do favorites in the family. I guess we're all the favorite.
That's
it's
correct.
open. So we don't do favorites in the family. I guess all of us are the favorite.
So the next question is, who is the nicest?
Who do you think is the nicest?
Both.
Both of us?
Yeah, my other sister too.
Show you what this what they come with. So it comes with this little thingies. I don't know what they are. They look like little gumballs. This, right? And then we have, I guess, I don't know, they look like mints. And we also have little gumdrops, I think they're called. I don't know. The ones that are like sugary. And some mints, peppermint mints, I guess. And this is for the icing to like, you know, like ice that thingy. I don't know. I've never done this before, so yeah. We're gonna be reading instructions because we have never done gingerbread houses, so yeah.
One of the subscribers asks, can you please talk about the test you need to take in order to be accepted in nursing school, please?
So, for example, the test that I had to take to go into nursing school was called the ATITs, and to be honest, I didn't do good on that test. But the tip that I can give you is to just buy the official ATI book for like the ATITs test. It should be on their website. I can link it down below. And also, I guess, watch a lot of YouTube videos that can help you too. But I didn't really do good in that test. So, yeah, that's the tip that I can give you. Someone asked which one of us is the oldest. So, my sister is the oldest. Jeremy is 17 and I am 20. And what grade are you in?
I am in 12th grade.
He's about to graduate. So yeah, so let's get started with this. Do you open it?
Yeah.
We don't really know what we're doing, so we're gonna read the instructions.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
Also, I wanted to tell you guys that you still have time to enter my giveaway. So I have a giveaway on my Instagram account, and I'm giving away a stethoscope for Christmas. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to click the link down below for my Instagram and enter. So yeah, we had a little difficulty. Jeremy broke the back, so I had to get a knife for him. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but he's gonna need to figure it out. We have some napkins here because he made a mess. Okay, so another question is, what do we like to do on our free time? So, what do you like to do on your free time, Jeremy?
I like to DJ a lot. I practice on Fridays and Saturday, and maybe Sunday sometimes.
Yes, my brother is a DJ, guys. It's kind of annoying sometimes because he's always making noise, but I think it's pretty cool because he's so young. And what I like to do on my free time is I love reading books. It's like something I really love doing. I love reading like self-help books and also like fantasy books, and yeah, pretty much.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
I was doing it wrong. I thought this was the wall, but this is the roof, according to him. So, yeah. So someone else asked, what is like our Christmas traditions? Because there's a lot of people that do it different, and we're Dominican, so the way we do it is on the night of the 24th, we do like a big like dinner and everything, and we listen to music with Mr. DJ right here. We eat a lot, we just spend time with family. Obviously this year is going to be a little different, but we're still going to try to make the best of it. And yeah, basically. And on the 25th, we don't really do anything other than sleep. And like
wait, you asleep.
But yeah, nah, everyone sleeps because we be tired of partying too much. But yeah, that's our Christmas traditions. I know like a lot of people celebrate on the 25th, but we actually celebrate on the 24th, like in the night. So yeah. Look what Jeremy's doing. Show them. He's like spreading the icing on the whole thing. It's not supposed to be like that. And he's doing better than me.
I know, right?
decorate them and try to put them like somewhere around here or something after I finish decorating the house. But yeah, he's just eating it. Está bueno. ¿Te lo va a comer entonces? Ah, pues dame un tiempo que yo no me voy a comer mío.
So, what do you like about your siblings? What I like is that when I ask for money to buy something on Amazon, they give it to me.
Wow. What do I like? Sometimes they're fun to be around. The other question.
This is a good question. He says, who takes longer to do the hair? Nicole.
My sister Nicole. Yeah,
She
does.
take like 1 hour and oh no, I look ugly. Oh no.
Yes. And like trying to change her clothes, she changes her outfit like 20 times. And then when we in the car already, she'd be like, "Oh, I have to change again. I don't know. I look ugly." So.
How often do you argue?
Argue?
Argue, yeah.
How often do we argue? Depends on the day.
Yeah, that's correct.
Sometimes we argue a lot. Sometimes we don't argue at all. It depends on the day, to be honest, and it depends on what we're arguing about.
So who watch more TV? Don't watch TV when only on YouTube and Netflix.
Yeah. We don't watch TV. We like watching shows on Netflix, and we love watching videos on YouTube all the time. Who keeps their room cleaner? Me.
No, that's not correct. My size is always clean.
Yeah, like we all share a room, so his side is always like neat, but I share a side with my sister, so it's like hard because she's messy, and I try to make it okay, but it doesn't last very long. What was the last text you sent to each other? Búscalo. I think I was asking me what he was doing yesterday because I was in my boyfriend's house. So, pero no te la comas. He's eating the whole thing. You're supposed to use it to decorate.
Oh.
What is something you like to do together? Well, now making gingerbread houses because this is fun. What is your sibling's biggest talent? Well, Jeremy, he's very good at his DJ thing. Oh, this is. Oh. Sorry. So yeah, he's very good with the DJ thing, I guess. What is my talent? Mi talent.
She's good like at talking and reading a guy. In nursery school, very good. She always say she's gonna fail, but she passed. And I say, you see, why you say you're not going to pass?
That's how much time do you spend together? Every day. We live in the same house. So. What's one thing you can do that your sibling can't?
I'm really bad on the test, so she's better than me doing tests at school.
And something he can do that I can't. Music things. I play the piano and the guitar, but in the sense that he's a DJ and all his music stuff, I don't know how to do any of that. So yeah.
Or she's bad at driving. That's another thing.
I am very bad at driving. He's very good at driving. Like, it's crazy. He's just 17 and he looks like he has driven his whole life. So you're eating all the things and you're not.
Se va a dañar si tú pones eso con eso.
We have nicknames for each other? Yes, we do. What's my nickname? ¿Cómo me dicen?
Morena.
Or Va. It's like VA. Yeah, that's how they call me. Everybody in my house. For him, it's just Jere or Je. Basically. Does your sibling have a YouTube channel? No, he doesn't. I'm the only one that has a YouTube channel in my house. It's a new thing. I hope I'm doing okay. Did you get along when you were younger? No. We didn't like each other. But it was like, I guess it was because we were closer in age that we didn't get along that much. Like sometimes yes we did, but I guess it's like the same for like every sibling, to be honest. Are you closer now or when you were younger?
The same, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not.
Well, I guess now because he's older. So when he was younger, it was like he was very mature and we couldn't see eye to eye. But now that he's older, it's like a little better. So yeah.
Who is better singer? Cheese.
Me.
When you see the brother, you see?
I do know how to sing. They don't. Only in my family, only me and my dad know how to sing. But then nobody else knows how to sing. No. That looks horrible. What is that? I think he's just eating everything and not doing what he needs. Who is more athletic? Him, I think.
I got a bike in the summer.
He is more athletic, I guess. He used to play a lot of sports when he was little, and now he likes to ride bikes a lot. So I guess you could say he's more athletic. I don't know. Who sleeps longer? I do. Everyone is always complaining at me that I sleep too much, but I just be tired. Nursing school is very tiring, guys. Which one of you is most likely to turn out like your mom or dad? Him. Which one do you think will get married first? Me. Maybe. Let's see about that. How many kids you want to have?
Say you want to have 15?
No, I didn't. How many kids you want to have?
3.
3? I want to have 4. But and Jeremy keeps eating the thing. Look at his house. So let us know which one you think it wins in the comments down below. Mine is way better than him. Hey guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Bye guys!